Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick again about brown patch. I've already talked about it before a little bit, but I need to talk about it again. It's very bad this year. We're seeing it all over the place. It's really been a bad season for brown patch. You've got to keep an eye on it. If you have St. Augustine grass, you need to get out there, look for it, and you need to apply a fungicide as soon as possible if you see signs of it. This lawn right here, you can kind of see it's infected. I'll post some pictures of it as well. It's got these patches coming up all over the place. It's really bad in this yard. It's everywhere. They always start out in very small clumps, and then it just kind of spreads from there. And to keep it from spreading too much, you've got to get a fungicide put down in a very timely manner to prevent that from spreading. So another mistake that people often make with this is to just let it sit and let it go until the grass goes dormant, and that's a huge mistake. People will assume, my grass is going to go dormant here in another few months anyway, so I'm just going to let it sit. The winter will kill it off, and we'll it'll be gone by next spring. That's a huge mistake. Whenever you let it sit and let your grass go dormant while you have an active fungus on it, that area is gonna take a lot longer to come out of dormancy next spring. You've probably seen it in your own lawn or in other lawns where in the spring in St. Augustine, some patches are coming up real nice and green, and then it's kind of sporadic. There's just dead spots all over the place. It's very likely that lawn went dormant with an active fungus on it, and that's preventing it from really thriving and taking off the next spring. So you want to get it treated right now while it's active in the fall. Get it killed off. Let your turf have time to recover a little bit before it goes into dormancy. And that's going to help you in the long run, help it come out of dormancy a lot faster, later on next year in the growing season. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that or need any help, just let us know. Thanks.